In the book, Younger Next Year, the author states an extremely enlightening and interesting statistic. He says this: a man who smokes but exercises regularly will have a longer lifespan and better health than a man who does not smoke, eats right, but does not exercise. And when I read that, it was a phenomenal statistic, but it really points out what doctors say is the #1 controllable factor in your health, and that is a regular exercise program. All you have to do is just do it. So get up off that couch, get to moving in some form or another, at least 3 to 4 days a week. Exercise and live and feel better. This is Coach Bronner. I'll see you tomorrow.